Morning Year 2 and welcome to another quiz. Hope we have our pencil and paper ready. Let's make a start. So, first question. Circle true or false. So remember, just like we did on Monday, there are 3 number sentences. You need to calculate the answer to each number sentence and tell me whether the answer is true or false. Off you go. Are we ready? And don't worry if you're not ready, just pause your video. So 34 plus 25. Let's use column addition to calculate the answer. So 34 plus 25. Okay, so 4 plus 5 is good, 9. And 3 plus 2 is good, 5. So the answer is 59. So this answer is true. Next question. 33 minus 17. So 33 minus 17. Okay. So I need to do 3 minus 7, which I'm not going to be able to do. So I need to go to the tens column. That becomes a 2. That becomes a 1. So that's 13. So 13 minus 7 is good, 6. And 2 minus 1 is excellent, 1. So the answer is 16. That is true. And then the last number sentence, 7 times 5 is equal to 30. Well, I know my 5 times tables, and 7 times 5 is good, 35. So the answer here is false. So well done if you got that question correct. Next question. Are the numbers below odd or even? Right, O for odd or E for even. Off you go. Are we ready? Okay, let's have a look. So 103, that's an odd number. 152, that's an even number. Right, E for even. And 98, that's also an even number. Okay, so well done if you got that question correct. Next question. Insert a number to make these calculations correct. So insert a number to make these calculations correct. Off you go. Are we ready? Okay, so 129. If you're not ready, don't worry, just pause your video. So we have 129, and if we look at the sign here carefully, the number in this box has to be greater than the number here, so 129. So as long as your answer is 130 or more, so your answer here has to be either 130 or more, then your answer is correct, okay? So well done. Next question, 156. And if you look at the sign carefully, that means the number on this side has to be less. So if your answer is 155 or less, then you've got the answer correct. Well done. Next question, 5 times 9, and then we have the sign here. So 5 times 9, I know, is 45. So my answer here has to be bigger than 45, greater than 45. So as long as your answer is 46 or more, then you've got the answer correct. Well done. Next question. Again, insert a number to make these calculations correct. Same thing, off you go. Are we ready? Okay, so let's have a look at this carefully. So this number has to be greater than 14. So as long as your answer is 15 or more, then you are right. Well done. Next one, have a look here. So that means the number in this box has to be smaller than 29. So as long as your answer is 28 or smaller, so any numbers less than 28, the answer is correct. Here I'm going to add the numbers together to help me calculate the answer. So 12 plus 13. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2, so the answer is going to be 25. So my number here has to be greater than 25. So as long as your answer is 26 or more, then you've got that question correct. Well done. Boris had 50p. He gets a 20p, a 5p and a 2p coin as change. So how much did he spend? So Boris had 50p. He gets a 20p, a 5p and a 2p coin as change. So how much money did he spend? Off you go. Are we ready? Okay, so this is quite a tricky question. So he had 50p, he spent some money, and then he got a 20p, a 5p, and a 2p coin as change. So we need to calculate how much he spent in the first place. So firstly, I'm going to add these three numbers together. So 20p plus 5p plus 2p. Okay? So 20p plus 5p plus 2p. Okay? So 20 plus 5 is 25p plus 2p is going to give me 27p. Okay? And to calculate how much you spent, I now need to take away 27p from 50p. So I now need to do 50p minus 27p. Okay, so that's all I need to do now. So 0 minus 7, I'm not going to be able to do, so I need to go to the tens column. That becomes a 4, that becomes a 10. So 10 minus 7 is 3, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer is 23p. Well done if you got that question correct. Next question. If 3 grapes weigh 15 grams, how much would 1 grape weigh? So if 3 grapes weigh 15 grams, how much would 1 grape weigh? Off you go. Are we ready? Okay, so 15 grams is equal to 3 grapes. So to calculate how much 1 grape weighs, I need to divide 50, I need to do 15 divided by 3. Okay, so 15 divided by 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so remember 15 divided by 3. When I think about division, I think about sharing. So I'm sharing 15 between 3, and if I count how many there are in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, my answer is 5. So it's going to be 5 grams. Well done if you got that question correct. Okay, so A plus B plus C is equal to what? And to help you, there's a code here at the top that tells you what the value of A is, what the value of B is, and what the value of C is. And the same thing here. Off you go. Are we ready? And again, don't worry if you're not, just pause your video. These questions are quite tricky. So we know that A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, and C is equal to 5. Okay? So all I need to do is add these numbers together. So 2 plus 3, we know is 5. Add another 5, the answer is 10. Okay? B times C, so B is equal to 3, C is equal to 5. 3 times 5, we know our 5 times tables. The answer is going to be good, 15. Well done if you got that question correct. Okay, same again, off you go. Are we ready? Okay, so A plus B plus C. So A, I can see. So A is 2 plus B, which is equal to 5, plus C is equal to 10. Okay, so 2 plus 5 is 7, and then 7 plus 10 is 17. Then I've got B times C, so 5 times 10, and that's easy peasy because I know my 10 times tables. 5 times 10 is 50. Okay, well done if you got that question correct as well. I'm now going to leave you to have a go at these questions. Look at each question carefully and do not forget to share any home learning on our Year 2 Twitter page. Thank you very much for listening, guys. Bye-bye.